Artificial intelligence is only going to get better and more powerful over time. If you're not using AI in your online business, you're most likely going to get crushed by your competitors that might be using AI in their online business. AI can not only help you save time and save money, but it can also allow you to make money a lot faster. So, in this video, I want to share with you 40 brand new AI tools that you can use to make yourself endlessly more productive and make a lot more money a lot faster. The very first AI tool that we're going to be using is called Loka. This is an AI tool that will allow you to get full branding for your company and for your brand from a single prompt. From a single sentence, you can basically just enter your company name over here and click Get Started. Even if you just have an idea for a business that you want to start, you can now get full branding, all the colors, all the logos, all of these different mockups from a single button. AI tool number 2 is going to be Soundful. This is a music generator. You can get copyright-free music for your videos and for your social media from a single button. You can basically just click one button and get copyright-free tracks for videos, which are also unique. You can use them for YouTube, social media, websites, video games, apps, and much more. It's 100% unique music that you can use for any purpose. Number 3 AI tool is RunwayML.com. On RunwayML, you can actually find a stack of different features and a stack of different AI tools. You can generate videos from text, and these videos do look pretty creepy, but it actually works pretty well. You can generate images, reimagine any image, do slow-mo videos, make images move, and much more. They have a stack of different AI tools which you can test on RunwayML.com. AI tool number 4 is gonna be U.com. U.com looks pretty similar to Google.com, but it works a little bit differently. You have the search bar over here and you can type in whatever you're interested in, but it will allow you to research on, for example, social media. If you typed in something that you want to create, like make money online, you can go to social and then you can see what's happening on other social media platforms, what's performing well on TikTok, Twitter, and also Facebook. You can see what's going on over there. You also have a ChatGPT type tool over here, and you can ask it for different tips, lists, and perform various tasks. You can also use their image feature where you can generate images from a single prompt. You basically just enter a prompt over here, and based on their prompt, it's going to generate a 100% unique image which you can then use for any purpose. The next AI tool is Dubverse.ai. You can actually use this one in many different ways. You can expand your business without words because it allows you to translate your videos into over 30 different languages with one press of a button. It also allows you to have your own voice in different languages. For example, I can take my videos that are in English, translate them into Spanish, Italian, Hindi, and it's going to be my voice, but in a different language. Then I can store different YouTube channels in different languages, or I can also just charge clients and customers for a service like this. If you're not making YouTube videos yourself, you can charge for a service like this, dub their videos, and it only takes a couple of clicks of a button because Dubverse does it for you. The next AI tool that you can use is called ElevenLabs.io. This is a text-to-speech AI software where you can basically just paste your script or enter some text, choose your voice according to your preferences, and it's going to generate natural-sounding voiceovers from text. They are actually going to sound pretty good, and in some cases, you won't even be able to tell that it's AI. You can definitely test it out for free at ElevenLabs.io. The next AI tool that you can use is called Kaber.ai. It is a tool that allows you to turn text into videos. You can enter whatever is on your mind and turn it into a moving image, a video. This is just the first stage, and it's only going to get better as time goes on. So just give it like 2 or 3 months, and you're going to see how these videos are going to turn into something much better than what we are seeing over here. But even this is pretty crazy if you think about it. The next AI tool is ChatSonic by WriteSonic. This is a ChatGPT 4 alternative, and according to them, it works even better. But the reason I like it is because it's a little bit more user-friendly, and you can also change the tone to who you're speaking. For example, if you want to speak to a math teacher or you need someone to help with your travels, you can just select what type of person you need. I need a travel guide, and then you can start asking different things about different places around the world. It's going to be more customized, and these are some features that you don't necessarily have on ChatGPT 4, at least not right now. The next AI tool is a little bit more simple, but I really like it because you can colorize old pictures or just black and white pictures. So if you have a black and white picture of your grandma or your grandpa, you can definitely just come over here, upload that image, and it's going to look a lot better. It's going to turn it into a colorized image, so you're going to have it like it was taken pretty recently, even though it might be taken like 100 years ago. You can not only use this for your own family images, but you can perhaps even charge locally for a service like this where someone can bring their old images, you can scan them, and you can colorize them for them and then sell them for like a couple of bucks, and this definitely works a lot better selling it locally than selling it in different Facebook groups or whatsoever, because those Facebook groups are already oversaturated, but you can definitely make quite a bit of money from it. AI tool number 10 is going to be Dream Interpreter AI, and this tool will allow you to see your dreams, at least that's their goal. So you can basically just describe your dreams. If you've dreamed about something you still remember it, you can enter that in this box and you can click on this button, and they're going to try to visualize the dream for you. They're going to turn it into moving images to try and get close to what you've dreamed about, which is pretty crazy. They are still not there yet, but it is a good idea. Now you should check out these AI tools by yourself for a better understanding. And if this video gets a high response, I'll upload the second part of this type of AI tools. Now subscribe.